Hey, what's up, guys? So you are on Gymshark and you notice these going fast and 50% off labels, and you see these oversized, regular fit, and you're wondering, how did Gymshark do this? How did they get these, extra bits of information to show up for all of their products? And only some of these have the going fast tag. So you're just wondering how to do that. We're going to do that today using Metafields. Let's get straight into it. Let's not waste your time. Okay, so you're going to go into your Shopify store and you're going to go into settings and custom data here. We're going to be using products, of course. We're going to go into products. I'm going to make two different definitions. One of them is going to be called, let's call it the fit, because we want to achieve this, regular fit. Some of them slim fit, some of them oversized. So we're going to call this one fit, and it's just going to be a type of single line text, just like that. If you want to, you can do these automated collections right here. So this means if you ever have, or if you ever want to create a collections of just things that are oversized, you can do it using this product metafield, even though you could use it with tags, but that's always a good option to have. So let's hit save on that. What this is going to do is going to create a single line text option inside of our products, but we'll show you that just in a second. Let's do another one and let's call it going fast. So we're going to do going underscore fast. I think you can do spaces, but I think it will take it or transform it, the space, into an underscore anyway. And for this one, we're going to do a toggle switch. So we're just going to be doing a true and false. We'll tick automated collections once again and press save. All right. So now if you go to your products inside of Shopify, I've just got some demo products loaded up, and let's go to this blue silk tuxedo. And let's scroll down to the bottom, and you should notice we have two Metafield and custom data settings here, one for going fast and one for fit. So for going fast, it's pretty simple. We can set this to either going fast or not going fast. So same thing with Gymshark. Some of them have it, some of them don't have it. So this is called a Boolean, true or false. So let's say for this one, it's going to be true. And for the fit, we're going to put oversized. Inside of here, you can have any text you want, but I'm just going to do oversized. And you can do this for all the products on your store now. So I'm going to do this for 2 or 3 more products. I'm sure this video will be sped up. But yeah, we'll catch you when I'm done. Okay, I've just finished doing that for the 4 products, the top 4 products. So I've set some of them to true and set some of them to false. And then I've also given the text inside of the fit. So now what we want to do is we want to get it to show up on the collection pages inside of our collections on our live site. So we want them to get up. We want them to show around about here. So in between this LED, the name of the product and the price. So what we're going to do is going to edit the theme codes. We're going to go to online store. And then when it loads, we are going to press edit code on our live theme. I would always recommend hitting this duplicate button and then duplicating it just so you have a copy of your theme. But I'm pretty confident in my skills, so I'm going to press edit code. So if you're wondering why this is dark mode, by the way, we're using a Chrome extension. It's called Liquify. It's absolutely amazing. So I will put a link to that in the description for you guys to check out. I will also put the code that I'm using in there as well. So the file we're looking for is inside of snippets, and it's called card products. As you can see, I've opened up before. So card products is inside of the snippet folder. I'm using the latest version of Dawn at this time of recording, so it might be a little bit different, but it should be called card products, and we are looking for around about line 154, I believe. So 154-ish, that's about here. So you can see this is just underneath the H3, the heading for each card. And we are going to paste in this code. We'll just paste it in. And I'll explain it briefly. So what this code is doing is it's getting the card product, which is the name of the variable of the product, and it's using the Metafields feature, and it's going to that Metafield that we called fit, and it's just going to paste the text inside of there. And the second one is using a conditional statement. So if the going fast is switched to true, it's going to show this label of going fast. And you know, let's even put in an else if. Actually, you know what, let's leave it. So let's press save. Okay, that should be it. So let's have a look on the live store. I've only done this for 4 products, so it won't show up for all of them. Perfect. So you can see on some of them it's saying oversized and going fast. You can see it shows slim fit going fast. And I think those were all the products we did it for. But yeah, as you can see, that's how you'd get it to show up, and you can fill it out for the rest of your products, and it should work perfectly. Let me know if you found the video useful, and we'll be sure to do more of these kind of tutorials in the future. Thank you. Smash the like button if you found this useful. Should have said that already. Bye.